The best natural treatment for a healthy prostate and increased libido. This is the ideal recipe for you if you need a natural power boost. 1 spoonful of the mixture every morning on an empty stomach will be sufficient. Within a month, your prostate will look and feel brand new. You won't require any pricey medications from the pharmacy. This wonderful combination is not only for men, but also for women. It prevents inflammatory processes and makes it easier for the body to deal with them. It boosts libido and acts as a natural aphrodisiac. The recipe takes less than 5 minutes to prepare and only requires 4 ingredients. Watch the video from beginning to end. There are many useful tips waiting for you. So let's get started. As previously stated, you will need 4 healthy ingredients for today's recipe. All of them are available at health food stores and green markets. Consume this sweet and sour treat on a daily basis to help prevent all urinary tract infections, including those of gynecological origin. We immediately begin preparing the recipe. First ingredient is pumpkin seeds. We are going to need 150 grams of pumpkin seeds. It has been utilized for medical purposes since the earliest days of the Aztec civilization. Some of the benefits are: pumpkin seeds support normal prostate function by providing zinc, a mineral that is essential for prostate health and accumulates in high levels in the prostate gland. Zinc deficiency may be associated with prostate disorders, such as benign prostatic hyperplasia, BPH, and prostate cancer. They help prevent or treat BPH, a condition that causes an enlarged prostate, and can interfere with urination and sexual function. This is because pumpkin seeds contain phytosterols, plant compounds that can reduce prostate inflammation, and inhibit the conversion of testosterone to dihydrotestosterone, DHT, a hormone that stimulates prostate growth. They improve potency by increasing the level of testosterone, the male hormone that affects sex drive, muscle mass, and sperm production. This is because pumpkin seeds are high in zinc, a mineral that is essential for testosterone synthesis. They improve sperm quality and quantity by providing zinc and antioxidants that protect sperm from oxidative damage and enhance their motility and morphology. They may improve blood flow and heart health by containing polyunsaturated fatty acids and phytosterols that can lower blood pressure and cholesterol levels. This can help prevent cardiovascular diseases that can affect erectile function. Second ingredient is walnuts. We are going to need 150 grams of walnuts. Walnuts are good for male potency and enlarged prostate. Some of the benefits are: walnuts are rich in healthy fats, such as omega-3 fatty acids, that can help lower inflammation and improve blood flow to the penis. Walnuts are also high in zinc, a mineral that is essential for testosterone production and sperm quality. Zinc deficiency may be associated with prostate disorders, such as benign prostatic hyperplasia, BPH, and prostate cancer. Walnuts contain phytosterols, plant compounds that can reduce prostate inflammation and inhibit the conversion of testosterone to dihydrotestosterone, DHT, a hormone that stimulates prostate growth. Phytosterols may help prevent or treat BPH, a condition that causes an enlarged prostate and can interfere with urination and sexual function. Mixing the ingredients in an electric chopper. We will need an electric chopper. Add 150 grams of pumpkin seeds. Add 150 grams of walnuts. Turn on the electric chopper and grind everything together for 1 minute. Now, we have a mixture full of minerals, vitamins, and other nutrients. Pour the mixture into a large bowl, so that we can add the other ingredients. The third ingredient is lemon juice. We are going to need 1 lemon. Cut the lemon in half. Squeeze the healing juice from each half. Pour the lemon juice over our healing mixture. The fourth ingredient is homemade honey. We are going to need 300 grams of homemade honey. Add honey to the mixture. Mix well with a wooden spoon. Feel free to add a little more honey if you think the mixture is too thick. Transfer the remedy to glass jars with lids. Keep the jars in the fridge. This natural aphrodisiac is loaded with beneficial substances. It has been shown to be especially beneficial for men who suffer from an enlarged prostate. It is an excellent preventative measure for all urinary tract infections, and women should take it as well. It improves both partners' intimate health. Dosage and method of application. Take 1 tablespoon on an empty stomach in the morning and you will be grateful for this recipe. The flavor is incredible, sweet and sour at the same time. The amount obtained is sufficient for 1 month of therapy. We wish you good health. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new. If you have any questions or feedback, please let us know in the comments section below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video, share with your friends, and subscribe to get updates on new videos.